Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create ad variations quickly using artboards in Photoshop. I start by creating one strong artboard as the main ad concept. I stop for a moment. This is the anchor. Then I duplicate it into multiple artboards for different sizes and messages. Artboards keep everything together, and that instantly reduces stress. I adjust headlines slowly, stretching keywords to add emotion where it matters. When a call to action feels weak, I pause, breathe, and sharpen it. Artboards allow me to compare versions side by side, which is where clarity appears. I notice which ad speaks louder without shouting. I refine colors, align elements,